This here is the standard profile. So let's see what the next one looks like. This here is the vivid profile. This here is the neutral profile. This is the clear profile. And this here is the deep profile. I don't know if the turning head thing is gonna do anything, but I'm kind of giving it a go. This here is the light profile. This here is the portrait profile. This here is the landscape profile. Not much of a landscape here, but that's what it's called. The sunset profile. Or the yellow profile, we should call it. But it is called the sunset profile. This here is night scene profile. So this is the night scene profile. And this here is Autumn Leaves. Profile. This here is the black and white profile. This here is the sepia profile.